Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at PhotoMath. We looked at PhotoMath in the past, and I just want to show you a nice update. What you can do is at the very top you can select the camera. Now if we select the camera and we hover over, just like before, a solution will come to the problem. So give it a little bit of time. And there's your solution. Now what's really nice, and this is new, if you select the arrow at the very bottom, you'll now see animated instructions. So it will take you through. So if you tap the right side of the screen for the next step, it will take you through each and every step that there is to solve this problem. So it's a great feature to have for students to review their work, as well as to see each and every single step and how you solve this problem. Be great for them to see if there was an issue somewhere where maybe they had a wrong number placed somewhere. Well, what was the reason behind it? This way, it can help them through those step-by-step problems. And you write the result of the column, and there it is. If you need to replay it, you can play it again if you'd like to. You can also add some numbers again at the top. Don't forget, here is the solution right here. It'll say, was it helpful? You can always select yes. If there are any issues that come up, you can go ahead and report an incorrect solution there by selecting the 3 dots in the upper right. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.